guys, welcome back. I just seen two birds mating. It was that bird and the one in the distance flying there. I'm going to see if they come back. And yep, here she comes. There's one, that was the one who's feeding her. This is sweet. What they do. Guys, I'm gonna see you when they come back. Sorry guys, they're not mating. Maybe next time. I don't even think this is the right one. Wait, yeah, it's the right one because what I seen is they were humping each other. No joking. That's not the pet bird. That bird right there was flying on top of that bird right there. And they said like, he's like, ah. Because they're looking at each other. Bye guys.